In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your second semester grade calculations so that you can start putting in assignments and working in your gradebook. First thing you're going to need to do is click on the menu, go to Gradebook, Grade Sheet. If it opens up to a current grade sheet for first semester, click on Class List. You'll need to click all classes so that it'll show both first and second semester. If you need to, you can go back into one of your class periods and look and see what your grade categories are. Otherwise, if you know what your grade categories are supposed to be, click on your second semester, first class of the day. Once here, you're going to go to Settings. And remember that your grade sheet display, student display, and score settings each need to be individually done for your classes. Even though you might do it for one class, it does not copy over to all of your other classes. So each of these have to be done separately. Right now, we're just going to concentrate on grade calculations. Once your grade calculations come up, we are on PR4. You're going to click the chevrons, and here is where you're going to change your grade calculations. So we're going to come and find daily. It's my first one. And this one is 20%. Then I'm going to scroll down and find participation, which is 40%. And notice as I do it, it changes the weight at the top. Next is projects, which are 40%. I'm going to save my changes. Notice now that I have down arrows next to each of the first 6 weeks. Now I need to copy these grade calculations to my other 6 weeks. So I'm going to click on the triangle, copy grade calculation setup. I will select all of my grade calculation 6 weeks that are on here. Run process. It does take a moment for it to run. Once it's done, we close this, and you will see that you have down arrows on all of your 6 weeks. Now, we need to copy this to all of our other grade books. We're going to click on Copy to Other Grade Books, click Next, click on Copy Grade Calculation, click Next, sync to all of your classes that have the same grade categories. If you teach more than one class and they have different categories, make sure to uncheck whichever class is not the same. Click Next. And remember that sometimes this does take a moment, so I'm going to, I don't need to pause. Thought I might. Now, each of our 6 weeks are already checked for us. We do not need to uncheck anything. We click Next. We click Run Process. And then Close. Now, if we go and look at any of our other class periods for second semester, we will see that our grade calculations have been copied over, and it's all set up for our next semester and putting in assignments.